you guys, welcome back. Today we are doing the pumpkin spice thing. It's that time of year. I'm not the pumpkin spice everything girl, but I do love Herbalife's pumpkin spice Formula 1. So we're gonna have some fun with that. It's fall, things are cooling off. It's time to just have some fun with that. But before we do that, I do want to take a minute and just really acknowledge you guys and thank you guys and let you know how much we appreciate all of the likes and the comments and the shares when you share the videos. That helps our channel so much and we appreciate you for doing that. And we watch all of those comments. So please let us know in the comments what you've liked seeing on our channel, what you'd like to see more of, and what questions you have so we can get those handled for you in upcoming videos. Because after all, we're making these videos for you, so we'd love to know what you would like to see. All right. Also, we post a new recipe video here every week, plus additional videos featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, how we're using them, and why we're using them. So make sure you hit the subscribe so that you catch those when they come out, and hit that bell so you never miss a newly uploaded video. All right, so let's get this mixed up. What we're gonna use today is we're going to use 2 scoops of our pumpkin spice Formula 1. This was just released for the 2022 fall season. And I have had so many people be so upset when this doesn't come out. It's never a guarantee. So if you like the pumpkin spice and it's out, you want to make sure you grab yourself a canister or 2 while they're available, because we get no notice, and when they're out, they're just out. So we're going to use 2 scoops of pumpkin spice today. We're also going to use our protein baked goods, because this replaces the protein drink mix in what we're going to make today. And this is specifically formulated to not lose any of the nutritional components when it's cooked, so that you get everything that you are expecting to have in your shake. The protein baked goods replaces the protein drink mix in your shake, and we are technically making a shake. Now, I'm making this with the intention of having it as a treat and not as a shake. The whole loaf is going to give you everything that one shake would give you, plus a little bit of extra. So if you're really on a strict weight loss plan right now, this would be something that you could make and slice up and put in the fridge to save for later. I forgot to tell you what we're making. We're making a pumpkin spice loaf with cream cheese drizzle. Oh my gosh, these are so good. The last time I made these, they all got devoured so fast. But this is intended to be a treat to help out with your weight loss plan, not a meal replacement for your weight loss plan, especially if you're actively losing weight right now. So 2 scoops of your protein drink mix. We're also going to use 1/4 of a cup of almond flour. Now, turns out that 2 of the scoops that are in your Formula 1 canisters equals 1/4 of a cup. So you could use 2 scoops of this from your shake canister, or you could grab another measuring cup and use that also. But 1/4 cup of that. We're also going to use 1.5 teaspoons of basic baking powder. And I have some cream cheese drizzle already made up. I'll include the recipe for that. Now, one of the things that you can do if you are actively losing weight right now is to, instead of using the cream cheese drizzle, make the drizzle with the PDM. I'm also going to include the video here in the comments with this video, so that you can have one that's a little less off of your plan, but this is still good. We're also going to use 3 egg whites, or if you just have a jug of egg whites, use about 1/2 cup of egg whites, and 1/4 cup of water, and that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this mixed up. First thing I'm going to do is separate the eggs, and I'm going to whip them a little bit and then add the water. Just fluffing them up a little bit to make the bread rise really nice. And now I'm going to add the water to the eggs, so all the wet ingredients are in there first. And now I'm going to turn this down here so you can see just a little better what we're doing. Okay, so 1/4 cup of your almond flour. Now guys, if you like, you can also add some pumpkin pie spice or some cinnamon or some clove or nutmeg or whatever seasonings you like. but the pumpkin spice has delicious flavor already. So we're gonna put that. And now 2 scoops of the pumpkin spice. 1, 2, and 2 scoops of your protein baked goods mix. Okay, now mix all this up. And you want to mix this up until it gets all the way smooth. You know, it's still kind of lumpy. It will get all the way smooth. And there's a couple different kinds of almond flour you can get. The almond flour that I have has the husks on it, which is the brown spots that you see. I don't mind it. Some people don't like to see that, so that you can get the pure white husked almond flour also. You totally could also use oat flour with this as well. All right, so now it's nice and smooth, and I have a mini loaf pan that I've already sprayed with nonstick oil, and we're just gonna put all of this batter down in there. Now, if you were making donuts or the donuts or the muffins, this same batter is what you would use, but the batter would make 3 donuts or 3 muffins. But we're gonna put all of it into this one loaf pan. Just like so. And we're gonna bake this at 325 for about 20 minutes. And also, you guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of the strudel. I'm gonna include the recipe in the video for the strudel here also. But put some of this strudel on top. Oh, it's so good, and it looks attractive too. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that on there. This is also made with some of the Herbalife products, but we'll include that video down below. All right, in the oven it goes for 20 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, and we are back. This has baked for about 20 minutes. I took it out, cooled it on a wire rack, and then put it on this, and now we're gonna put the drizzle on it. Again, if you're actively losing weight and you're on a strict weight loss plan, make this as a treat, but use the drizzle for the PDM glaze that I'm gonna attach here at the bottom instead of the cream cheese and powdered sugar. It's gonna do you well. All right, so what we're gonna do here is I also have some cream cheese frosting, which the recipe is also in the comments, and I've heated it so that it's drizzleable. I'm just gonna drizzle this on the top and over the sides, because why not? So good. Now I'm just gonna put this back in the fridge, put a lid on it, put it back in the fridge, or sometimes if it's gonna be a while before I use it, I'll put it in the freezer, and then I just let it thaw and then heat it up, and it's good to go all over again. And there it is. Good grief. You guys need to see what this looks like inside when we cut it. This knife is definitely overkill, but check this out. It's not all the way cooled yet. But look at that. And really, guys, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a fat thumbs up. That helps us out so much. Share it with a friend who might like something like this also. Or if you just enjoy baking, I mean, thanks you guys for joining us. We appreciate you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.